as I've said, what is full are the COVID-19 ICU beds. Yes, the other beds are not yet full, and even for the ICU beds, if you look back, you can see there's a building there which is almost complete. That will provide extra ICU beds, and you can also walk with you, and you see there is already 80% complete. So we are continuously increasing our ICU capacity across the country. Machakos County has a bed capacity for COVID-19 of 575, which was in conformity with the directive by His Excellency the President, who directed that each county should have at least 300 bed capacity. So that's the overall capacity, and our COVID-19 ICU has a capacity of 12 beds, and currently they are full, and we have patients spread across different isolation facilities here in Kangundo, Machakos level 5, and also in Kinania, and also the stadium field facility. So what is full are the COVID-19 ICU isolation wards. The other update is we started vaccinating our people, starting mainly with the healthcare workers, the uniformed officers, and also educationists. And so far, by the end of today, we had vaccinated around 600 people, and we are continuing with the vaccination, which we are doing in our level 5 hospital and also our level 4 hospitals, including this one, Kangundo level 4 hospital. We've seen that the third wave of COVID-19 is with us. Cases have gone up, even in Machakos. Today, we have 30 plus cases confirmed today, and the numbers have kept on rising. But most of the patients are actually stable, and they are doing home-based isolation and management. And the few of serious symptoms are the ones who are admitted in our hospitals. And we continue urging our people to continue observing the COVID-19 prevention measures, wearing a mask properly, hand washing with soap and water, those who are able to afford sanitation to sanitize, and also ensuring that we maintain the 1.5 meter distance